The lock on your front door is using technology from ancient Egypt. Like, actually. The Egyptians figured this out 4,000 years ago, and we have barely improved it since. Today, almost nobody can explain why it still works. Okay, so here is the whole trick. A pin tumbler lock is just two cylinders, one inside the other. The outer one is fixed in your door. The inner one, called the plug, is the bit that actually rotates when you turn the key. Both cylinders are drilled with the same 5 vertical holes from the top. And the seam where the plug meets the housing has a name. The shear line. Hold on to that phrase. Everything in the rest of this video is about that one line. Now drop something into each of those 5 holes. 2 metal pins, stacked. The bottom one is called the key pin, and every single key pin is a different length. The top one is called the driver pin. Above each pair, a tiny spring is squashing them downward. With no key in the lock, the springs shove the driver pins partway down into the plug, crossing right through the shear line. And this is the bit that actually does the locking. Because pins are sitting across the seam, the plug literally cannot rotate. It is pinned to the housing. Here is where the key earns its keep. Look at a real key sideways. Those zigzag cuts on top are not decoration. Each cut is a precise height. When you push the key into the keyway, each cut lifts one of the key pins. A deeper cut lifts it less. A shallow cut lifts it more. And here is the wonderful part. When the key is exactly right, every single key pin gets lifted to a different height, and yet all 5 gaps between key pin and driver pin line up perfectly along the shear line. Nothing is crossing the seam. The plug is free. Turn the key, and the plug rotates inside the housing. The bolt slides back. The door opens. Try the wrong key, and watch what happens. The cuts are at slightly different depths, so each pin rises to slightly the wrong height. Maybe one pair lines up by accident. Maybe 2. But as long as even one driver pin is still crossing the shear line, the plug is jammed. That single misaligned pin is doing the entire job of stopping a stranger from opening your door. 5 pins, all of them have to be right, all at once. You would think we would have replaced this by now. We have not, and there is a reason. With 5 pins and roughly 10 possible cut depths each, you already get 100,000 combinations. Most modern locks use 6 pins. Indian homes use Godrej Navtal 6-pin cylinders all over the place, same architecture, same shear line. Modern security locks add tricks on top of this base design. Mushroom pins, spool pins, sidebars, dimple keys. But every single one of them is still doing the same job. Hold the plug to the housing until exactly the right key shows up. The wild bit is, an Egyptian carpenter who lived 4,000 years ago could walk up to your front door and explain this lock to you in under a minute. The materials changed. The shapes got tinier. The shear line still rules everything. Same idea. Same trick. And it is sitting in your pocket right now. That's how it works. If you said, "Oh, I see," subscribe, and drop a comment with what you want explained next.